Plus the tape, whoever masked it off, pulled some of it off right here. Right there, right there,
I don't know.
there.
Why would you pull it off so aggressively?
Well, somebody used masking tape. I don't know.
Masking tape?
Yep. Came right off with it. It wasn't aggressive. Off come the paint. Or, I mean, off come the black reducer.
Yeah, the black reducer come right off.
I don't know.
Oh, they figure... I remember the other day I was telling Dix to read the comment or leave a comment for you and stuff. And we'd read it and stuff. One guy, let's see here. There's one.
I can just imagine.
Oh yeah, there's all type of them.
Wait till you finish the truck and ask for it back?
Right? There was one though. Oh, right here. It says, you can tell Crawdad is from the Scottish descent as he has a good Scottish sense of humor. Some of it rubbed off on you. I've been watching you for years and I'm pleased that you're doing well. Keep up the videos. Just curious about where in Scotland did your grandfather come from? Oh, wow. Holy shit.
Gosh. I didn't know there was Scotland in there, but...
Where'd you come from?
Do what?
Where'd your dad come from? Canada?
Oh, pretty much, yeah.
Like Leroy didn't cross no rivers and no boats.
No. And my grandfather didn't either, that I'm aware of, but maybe way back. But on my other side, they came from Germany.
Germany?
Yeah. Mom's grandma and grandpa. Grandpa couldn't even...
Speak English?
He could speak English, but he couldn't read English or write.
So half German, half Canadian.
Right.
And then Gramps.
Well, I think we got Irish in us.
Yeah. And then Gramps was England and Grams was Irish or what?
I don't know what your Grams was, but Grandpa was English. And so you got some English, German, Irish into you. Canadian.
Yeah. Mostly Canadian, though.
Mostly Canadian.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, that was a good one, eh? Where's some more? Oh, Crawdad and Christopher, cheeching it.
I apologize.
Oh, Crawdad, top notch, what a legend.
Top notch?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What's a top notch?
Crawdad does good work and has great hair. Pug one, not so much. What the?
You can't even see your hair.
Yeah.
You always wear a hat.
What are you talking about?
I don't know.
I'll ask him about the rabbit. The rabbit's on the way to the vet right now to go get needles or something checked up of some sort. I don't know. Is Crawdad's weed better than your weed? Crawdad's weed is my weed.
Mine's outdoor, though.
Oh, you just get the outdoor?
I just get the outdoor.
Looking awesome. You and your dad do an excellent job. You're a lucky man. Have a dad like that helps out so much. Holy.
He's a good man.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. Where do you come up with this shit?
Crawdad, when did you adopt your son? Why the would he adopt me if he had to pick and choose?
Hey, bass fishing, almost here. Can't wait. Freshwater and surf casting at the ocean. A hoozah. Guys, a hoot. Thanks. Be safe. I don't do too much the bass fishing. I prefer more the pickerel myself, but to each his own.
Crawdad looked like he was pretty dicked
on
the dust and danders.
What the hell is that?
Well, it's any type of powders or danders or dusts, or you might be, partaking in.
I don't do no dust.
You don't do dust?
No, try not to. Breathed in a little paint there fume yesterday.
Yeah.
Didn't feel too good on the way home.
I can't remember what story you were telling, but so they need more Crawdad stories. All respect to Crawdad. Nice work. Well, let's see Q&A with Crawdad. She's coming along real good.
Crawdad's a classy fella, and we all love him.
Yeah.
The hell is that?
Yeah. Love your vids. Dad been working with mine for 14 years, and unfortunately he's not with us now. It's great that you and your dad get along. Special times. Oh, wholesome. Hey? Damn nice work from what I can see. Well, yeah, from where you're looking, she's probably pretty fucking sweet. Hey?
It's not red.
Don't look too close. Oh. I have family from both Leamington and Chatham. Chances are, and somehow I'm related to the guy looking for the windows.
Oh.
My wife's looking at me funny when I start a project, and I say that's good enough for Inwood. Oh, I think
Wonder who come up with that.
Yeah, I think I cut some shots of my shitter, and they're really admiring it there.
Rican loves sanding. Oh, that must be my buddy.
Yeah, awesome on the arthritis. The old chain and the cab corner trick.
Then you go home and you try to hold your fork and your hands are like this.
And you just gibble.
Oh, you gotta stretch them out.
Oh, the guys are thinking that I set that up with the chain and the bungee cord and the cigarettes all in there. They don't think that was real.
Cigarette?
Well, the chain that I cut, because
Oh, yeah.
opening up this corner and all your treasure come out.
Whoa. Found my stash.
What were you using that chain for? Was that your wrestling? You were like doing backyard wrestling, and that was your junkyard
No,
dog necklace?
I think that was holding on to a guy up in a tree. Scaredy.
Oh, for like a deer stand or something?
Yeah. But then I moved to a bigger tree and the chain was too small, threw it in the truck and...
So the side plastics must not have went all the way to the bottom then. Because like there's the hole. There's a hole big, but I mean, you can't get your hand down in there, so you're stuffed the chain in there. Now you're never going to get that out.
Basically, you got to have a coat hanger with a hook on it.
Yeah, start snaring shit out from in there. Just figured it out. That's why Crawdad bought you Inwood. You and him spent his golden years with his son building trucks. Life's good, buddies.
Don't pay so good, but it's
Yeah,
pretty
well, I mean, could be worse.
good. Oh, yeah.
Probably.
You could be changing my diaper.
Oh, that'd be great.
Well, that could be worse. Not pretty much worse.
Yeah, a lot of guys at 67 years old are shitting themselves on a regular basis.
A lot of them aren't 67, aren't even here anymore.
Especially with all the cigarettes you drilled in yourself.
Oh, I quit that.
The bodywork and paint is looking good. Looking forward to seeing this thing driving by Crawdad. Driven by Crawdad. You don't like the tap dancing and shit though.
Yeah, you just make a coming standard.
Come a standard. Automatic?
Automatic. Coming automatic.
Oh, this guy's got paragraphs from Candace.
Holy, I can't read all that.
It's coming along good. I remember the vid Crawdad sent you from the tree stand whilst deer hunting. It was 3 young Jake turkeys playing...
Hopping. They were playing hopscotch out in the field.
I thought it was hilarious. I wonder if he still has that. I'm trying to put together some footage of the weird things the wild turkeys do. I've been recently moved to a rural area, and we've got a lot of turkeys. These things do funny stuff. How did you get that footage? On your phone?
Yeah, I think I took it on my phone. I don't know if I still have it. I haven't deleted anything, so...
Duck cleaners ever show up? I got them to show up 2 times. And
I don't even know how...
One time was a long time ago when Nelson was here, and I always meant to upload the footage, but I also kind of felt bad because like a couple young fellas there showed up there, and they were not impressed from driving all the way from Whitby to Inwood. And I'm just like, yeah, but you're gonna drive from Whitby to Inwood, or no, it was Brampton, from Brampton to Inwood. They're trying to tell me $120 and this and that, and they drove all the way here and stuff, and it's just like, well, I don't know any other way to try to get you to stop calling me for this. This is crazy. Like, you call me $750 14 times. That's too many times. I told you no once. That should have been the end of it. Like, but no. And then another time they showed up, and same thing. I just told them, what are you here for, bud? No got?
No got.
Oh no. Crawdad probably lost his footage.
Oh, wait a minute. I might have had your mother's camera, and I think I got the SIM card.
Oh, the SD card?
Yeah, the SD card thing at home on my desk. Let me have a look.
When? Tomorrow?
Oh, I'll look when I get home, if I remember.
Crawdad,
You get a little old, you kind of forget stuff, like cigarettes and stuff. Stopping on the way. And
red inside, black outside. Looks good. Nope, quit that. Is driving trucks fun or something? I don't get it. Doesn't seem worth all the hassle just to drive slow, old piece of shit, in the fucking Walmart parking lot. Restore a car or bike, something fun.
oh, delete.
What?
Flagged. What the? Obviously never driven a truck.
Yeah, obviously doesn't have trucks and stuff. Report. Oh, it's even got a thumbs up. What the frig? Oh yeah, no, trucks are fun really bad. Oh, that cab corner looks good. Got to get Crawdad on that welder. Need some more stink finger on the next one. Oh, stink finger quit. He drove his car out into the wilderness with no power steering fluid, and then now that chooched his power steering pump, which tossed his belt, which left him stranded 8 hours away. It's not good. He's dicked. He makes terrible decisions and no way to get himself out of it. So he's just pick and relentless. Awesome work, boys. Love seeing Crawdad in the movies. How does Crawdad keep his hair so thick and luxurious?
Oh.
I must see Gramps. That last wave at him in the window was sad, right? And fake COVID, this and that. Now Dick's got to like die alone and stuff out the window and shit.
Yeah.
Solid.
Awesome.
Surprised you never had a talking to the doofus about the birds and the bees.
No tiny tots around. Uh-oh.
Oh, who the Jim? Jim's just some dude that started hanging around?
Well, he's not tiny as a tiny tot,
Oh,
because you didn't have him in
my movies when he was 4.
little guys. Was he like Stinkfinger, or maybe the felon? Or did he call in Rick? Huh?
That's pretty dicked.
Dick like Rick?
Not like Rick.
Oh.
Yeah, or felon or stinkfinger. That was my own special kind of dicked.
I don't think either one, but...
Love it. And you weren't kidding about the flat marking easy. I did my 15 Dodge Charger cruising in the flat.
Black.
Wrapped, and that alone was horrible trying to keep it clean. Yeah, no doubt. 86K5 in flat black instead of wrapping it. Good Lord. True struggle. Yeah, but it's going to be awesome. I don't like shiny.
We're going to name the 51st state Crawdad.
Woo!
Oh, yeah, right on.
Oh, that'll be great.
Right on.
Oh, freaking Crawdad is the best. Low par for life.
I don't know where people come up with this shit.
Crawdad and Albert need to work on video with Stinkfinger doing big jump in a beater car. That would bring in the views, for sakes. Oh yeah, but remember when I started trying to do car jumps and stuff and still nobody watched it because then they get even more flagged from YouTube quitting them and stuff and this and that. It's even worse. Almost kill a guy for 17 views. That's not cool. You gotta get at least 2,700. You know what I mean? I apologize.
I should react to some of the old videos back in the day.
Yeah, that'd be funny. And you could really have a Santas of, you know, leave it red and put lobster claws on the front.
Call it Crawdaddy truck. Well, these guys been smoking some good shit.
Yeah. Watching since the beginning. Looking great. Nice to see Crawdad working with you. Watching since the beginning in NS.
No shit?
Yeah. Good to see the boys together working. Your dad looks real happy. Well, they probably didn't see you trying to put the window back in the door.
Oh, no, you deleted that.
Yeah, I'm going to cut that one out. Oh, shit. Crawdad is the star of the show. We've known that for, what has it been, 15, 20 years? Crawdad should be very proud of you. The truck is going to look stellar. I think Crawdad needs to fart more. Can't wait to see it finished. Looking great. Hi, Crawdad.
Oh, I got work to do.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
That was good. Wholesome. Real f***ing wholesome, you guys. That was wholesome as frig, eh? Is this like the 7th time you've sanded this door now, or?
this one?
Yeah, this particular side chasm.
6 or 7, yeah.
Right around there. Well, 8 or 9 times the charm, I think is what they say. Isn't it? Something like that.
Oh, I hope.
Oh, I gotta get a cigarette in me.